about your strengths, they are not interested to know about the areas that are irrelevant. For example, if I am good at playing guitar, do you think it holds any kind of relevance at my workplace? Therefore, it is important for us that we mention about those strengths that hold some relevance and suitability for that work role. Similarly, you cannot say that you do not have any kind of weakness. Because in reality, human beings have more weaknesses as compared to their strengths. So, you can talk about your weakness in such a manner that they sound as if they are getting converted into your strength. For example, my weakness is that I am very emotional. But if I am emotional, this clearly means I can connect, I can relate with my colleagues, my clients, or my customers in an efficient manner. If interviewer asks you this question, where do you want to see yourself after 5 years, and you reply like this, I want to be at your place. Please don't use such kind of an answer because this is something which is not really appreciable. Include areas of learning. Talk about enhancing your experience. You can say like this, that I want to be a better version of myself in terms of my abilities and skills. As an interviewer, if I ask you this question, what are your goals? Short-term goals or long-term goals? And you reply like this, I want to go for a world tour. Trust me, this is not really an appreciable answer. I would consider you as somebody who would be taking leaves after I give you this job. So do you think I am in a position to give this job opportunity to you? Be very precise in answering like this, that your short-term goal is to get this job opportunity and you will be able to provide justice to this, which will be beneficial for you and for the company in the long run. Do not forget to read about the company, its history, background, etc. before you appear for the interview. Because no interviewer will like the fact that you did not spend time on internet to read about their company, the history, etc. One more commonly asked interview question is, why should we hire you? Trust me, nobody is interested to know about your school grades or any of those 90% marks. They are more inclined to know your intellects, your practical approach of doing things, and the presence of mind that you carry. Talk about those skills that makes you different from others. You can even include your work experience where you learned a new skill and it can be used here. Last but not the least, always be honest to yourself. Speak truth, because liars do not survive for long. If you are genuine, you will definitely get a job of your choice. But if you think only manipulation works, trust me, now is the time to rewire your thought process. The list not ends here. We certainly have more content to deliver. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and good day.